Today is the blockage road. Which is problem to road blockage today now?
Actually, thanks for the media for asking me this question. Today, under Simna constituency, it is under the Simna constituency that we all the local members of the constituency has blocked the road because yesterday, last night, from the VC of Balurgon, this one young people got caught by the police. For that, we are blocking the road until and unless the police procession. Until and unless we got the permission from the police procession, we will not open this road blockage.
How many people to arrest the police now?
Actually, 15 people have arrested. Police have arrested them without any reason. Till that, we don't know what is the reason for their arrestment. Why they have arrested them? So we need the answer from the police. Why they have arrested them? Until and unless we got our people, we will not open our road blockage.
How many times now is the road block khajaka?
Actually, I'm by media person. No, ini jung road block khaima hangkai mia horo khodat kaiye police rok kaiye je chini boro rok no ereng khai romai talang thaka kai tam ni bagai boro ereng khai o election movement of boro romai talang na nangba aboni jung answer na yo boro kono saya wai se ereng khai boro rom talango sob somai na muti mamang to jung bo soya bele kai jung o road block ma khaika
kojana boro rom jakha
15 jona boro rom kha balurgon bisini
tabok sudor tinor no police ok sim bor thana under kalai bor thana police ok kuno hai jogajog
tak suk jora jogajog kono phano khaya ko chini thana ni boro rok abagai no jung road block khai tong ko ta
bojagan borok tabok khaja gor nongoro
obongka chini simna constituency ni joto bisini boro no phai tongo baksa baksa phaya ko
besok samai jora norok oro potok khaja
jung until and unless chini boro rok no jungmano abo jungma yasak jung road block khai no tongnai hor pano ongtong sal pano ongtong jung nangkai sapung hopung pan jung oro no tongnai jung pyogya
phungno koitana rong simi norok oro potok
jung phungni noita ni simi jung jengkha
ni mungke
an mungkai gospel halang
go paran
borkatalni
o jagane bungkha nor je road block khai tong mane
o bongkai shonibar bazar balurgon disini subul singh